I think the first most important thing that the youth which is preparing to enter the workforce with a lot of zeal should look at is preparing your skills. The market today is not about what is the degree that you are carrying alone. While the degree can get you into a room where you might be able to sit for an interview, but it is skills alone, and also the fact that not only the skills of one particular category. I would take a very humble situation of the leaders who have possibly gone much ahead in life, seeing much turbulent times. COVID was an experience which nobody has dealt with, and most of the HR people faced a lot of flack, not because they did not know how HR processes work, but because they were not prepared how COVID would let people have to see the workforce of tomorrow. Then came another set of challenge where we saw the war happening. Again, the war has led to a situation where we have to be prepared on how the multiple set of workforce will be ready to handle work from home, yet balancing out the skills that they have and the skills that they need to acquire. So, a continuous learning is a very important attitude that you need to build in. And second is having at least 2 or 3 skills. In the age of AI, skills are not something that's going to be coming in as a ready messenger that you can prepare for the next 3 years or 5 years. It is something that's already happened. And the speed that it's happening, technology is going to be beating any education system that's going to be coming up in the new era. So both the things, the agility, the skills and the mindset are the 3 key areas that a student needs to be extremely prepared to and to be able to take up any changes that they come their way. A tree which knows how to bend when the wind is stronger is the one that survives.